Need to switch between metric and imperial units on booking.com. Whether you prefer kilometers or miles, adjusting this setting is quick and hassle-free. Start by opening the booking.com app on your mobile device. In the bottom right corner, tap on My Account to access your personal settings. Scroll down and look for Device Preferences, then tap to open it. This section lets you customize various app settings, including how distances and measurements are displayed. Next, locate the Units option and tap on it. You'll see two choices: metric, kilometers, meters, Celsius, or imperial, miles, feet, Fahrenheit. Simply select the system you prefer, and the app will instantly apply the change, no need to save manually. Once updated, all distances and relevant measurements will be displayed according to your selection, making your browsing experience more convenient. You've successfully adjusted your measurement settings. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more useful tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.